I just received the new Philips Baristina machine and I thought we would do an unboxing together to see what's inside the box, to test an espresso and to see how it performs. By the way, so this is not the full review of the machine. The complete test will come in a few days and I will be sharing now my first impression of the Baristina. Okay, but first let's open the box. Inside the box there isn't much, it's very minimal. I searched everywhere but I couldn't find the user manual. I hope it was just forgotten, and if you have the machine, let me know if you received the manual. All I found was the warranty card. I bet it's not too hard to use, but still it's something that could be practical at the beginning. What I had was basically this box here with the machine and the portafilter. First impression of the machine. It looks nice. I like the design. It's quite compact, it's light, entirely made in plastic, including the drip tray and the portafilter also. There are two possible drinks with the Baristina, an espresso and a lungo, or what we call the café allongé. So on the left we have the espresso, on the right the lungo, and the middle button here is to add an extra strength. It's supposed to grind a slightly larger dose of coffee. And I'm curious to see if it makes a real difference. There is no power button and no grinder settings. So this is extremely simple. I don't know how we can have a machine that would be more simple than that. But let's try a coffee now. First, there is a rinse cycle to complete. I've made 2 coffees before that I didn't drink, just to warm up the machine and to clean everything. Let's try this one. We'll go with an espresso with the boost dose in the middle. I have my espresso here, let's try it. There will be a few things to say, but I will save that for the full review that's coming soon, and if you want to miss it, be sure to subscribe. But as you can see, the coffee is quite clear. I bet here it's because the dose of coffee might be quite low. It will be interesting to see what the Baristina can do. I'll still go and finish my coffee. Stay tuned and I'll be back in a few days. In the meantime, I think the machine will get plenty of use. Have a great day. Ciao.